Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will show you guys how to remove and replace front door speaker on a BMW 5 Series E60 or E61. Okay, that's the one we're talking about right here now. Okay, that door speaker right there, you can see that's the one right here. So stay with us guys, we'll show you how to do it now the right way, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so now we'll need to remove that airbag cover there with a plastic trim tool. You can remove it like that because there is a hidden bolt screw underneath it here. Now you can see this one is with a T, actually T25 or T30 right here. That's the screw we're talking about. We need to go ahead and remove that one now. Okay, like that. And next, what we will need to do, there is another cap that we need to remove there, and there is a little screw underneath it, so careful not to break this one. Like that. There is a Phillips screw. Go ahead, take this one off now. Now we're gonna get a tool, prying tool, and start popping the panel out of there. And when you get up here, it's important to pull this way, not up. Some cars are up, but this one you need to pull towards you because there is many clips. Okay, those are the clips we're talking about. You need to remove the latch here. Now we need to start disconnecting cables. That's the airbag here guys, so you have to be careful here, and that's why we disconnected the battery as well for this one. So once we remove it, we're gonna show you how to do it. Okay, when you pull it out, okay, that's the one that you need to press. Okay, press like that, and then you need to pull. Never wiggle left or right because you have two very fragile pins inside that we need to remove. Now we need to disconnect. Okay, you can see we need to disconnect the wire for the, oh, who knows what that is, the mirror here. Somehow, let's see. We're gonna take that cable, the one for the door latch off. You pull this one, pull it to the back so it can give us more room like that. Now we have one wire here, right here, that we will need to remove as well. So just squeeze in right here like that. That's little light, and pull out. Then we need to do the speakers. You just pull those out, grab them, pull them. And now that's another wire here for, I think it's for light as well, that we need to remove. And this one there. So on the bottom we have the light bulb here. So now we need to remove this one somehow. So we'll just pull the bulb out like that. Okay, and we'll pull it now through the outside. Okay, like that. You can get the cable out now, and we're ready to remove the panel guys, and let us show you where all the clips are now. You can see 3 there, 4 on the bottom and on the front 2. And we have all the side clips that you need to make sure that they still stay here when you push it in, otherwise you won't be able to snap those. So once we remove the panel guys, we'll show you how to remove the speaker. You don't have to disconnect the airbag, you can do it in the place, but it's really dangerous, so we recommend to just unhook the battery so you avoid dangerous situations, because that thing is very powerful if it goes off. Now we need to use a 7mm socket to remove a couple nuts here that hold the speaker in place. And also the factory speakers are actually pretty good on that thing. Okay, and now we won't be able to remove it until we remove the rest of the bracket here. So we have another one there. That's why we recommend unhooking the battery and the airbag. And we have another big bolt, it's there on the bottom now. Those are with 10mm socket now. And we have the one on the bottom as well there. Okay, let's see if we can pull the bracket out. Hope something is still holding a little bit. It will probably slide up in an angle. It needs to come out of the plastic lights there, which could be holding pretty good sometimes. So okay, you can pry it like that, pull it out. Okay guys, now that's the speaker here. This is the one we're talking about, and if you need any part numbers, okay, they're right here. So when you get the new one, you pretty much install it the same way we took it apart. Okay, like that, and we're just going to go ahead, install the bracket now, and after that you need to connect all the wires and install the door panel. Which we will have to show you how to do that, so it's a little bit easier that way. Stay with us, and we're gonna show you how to a little bit of tricks how to install the door panel the right way. Otherwise you might not be able to get it right, and it could be a little bit complicated. So we're just gonna go ahead and get those tight now. So we're ready to install it now. We're going to connect all the wires. We have the one for the light on the bottom of the door. So remember, we have quite a few to do now. We have that little one that needs to go here as well. We have the door handle over there, which is pretty simple to do actually. Okay, so when you get it in, you go like that. Okay, and it presses in. You always pull it to make sure it's working. In our case it's not this time, we screwed something up. Okay, so we're gonna go like that. Okay, now you can see it's working. Then we need to connect the speaker wires. Okay, we have a few more here and there, and stay with us to show you exactly how to install it. You need to make sure that this seal is there, all the clips are there. If not, you can lift it up and readjust the clips actually. You need to feed, okay, that thing through the hole, whatever it's called. And you need to make sure that the screw there, you see that screw is where it's supposed to be, because it fell in the wrong place. So we're going to pull that one out. And now again, same thing, we need to just get that thing here. Okay, now you need to go here, and actually if you want to see the clips, you can go from this side. It's a little bit hard with the camera because there is glare. Okay, and we line them up. You just press them in. Now you need to make sure all the clips here are lining really good. You can see like this one goes where it's supposed to, and now, okay, when you hit it, it just locks. All we have to do now, guys, just install the screw here, the bolt, and the little screw right here, and that will be the whole procedure, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, help us grow. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.